Ito na yung turkey and ham namin guys, for Christmas dinner. Ayan ayan yung ham, tapos pina-slice namin siya, ayan. Tapos ito naman yung turkey, tapos ito yung pina-slice namin yung kalahati, in-slice yung kalahati, buo. Kasi ilalagay ko siya sa freezer, ayan. Yan yung pang Christmas dinner namin. Tapos, gagawa ko ng homemade stuffing, yan. So, ilagay ko siya dyan sa turkey and ham. So, yan na yung dinner namin for Christmas!
Christmas Eve. And tonight we're going to show you how to make Irish trifle. First, fruit. No, sorry. Fruit. Cocktail fruit. In other words, pieces of fruit. Right, pears in there. And a variety of pears and peaches in here. Bought in our local supermarket, Sainsbury's. Jellies. What do you call it? I think you call them jello in the Philippines. So we take the jello out of the pack. When we were young growing up, we always used to be eating a piece of the jello. Just make sure it's all okay, that's not bad. So we pull the jelly apart. Right. Varieties of flavours. Right. You boil the kettle hot water. A fork or a spoon. Put the jelly and water mixed them together. So mix, mix, mix. We're after coming for midnight mass. Beautiful ceremony. And our youngest daughter, Yana, is above in bed waiting on Father Christmas. Or as we say, Santa Claus. Ho, ho, ho. It's a nice night outside, it's frosty. So Rudolph will have no problem landing on the roof. It's not too much frost on the roof so far. So we keep mixing this. You notice now the jelly has dissolved in the water. There's a problem that all the jelly is dissolved, otherwise when it sets you could have lumps in the bottom of it, and Annalisa will be about me. Didn't do that right. So the next thing we do, we add some people are saying sponge, plain sponge, but you can buy what do you call it, fingers. Annalisa likes the fingers. What do you call it? If you're afraid things work, but we put the fingers are like that. So like actually like a finger, yeah. You break them up. You just put them into the jelly, and you'll see the jelly absorbing into the thing that's starting to swell up. So that's all right. That there, and maybe put another couple in just to. I think maybe put the rest of the packet in.
I think finish all these.
So that's all in there. You can actually see now that the jelly's actually absorbing into the. Now it's important that they are broke up. We don't want hard lumps of sponge fingers in it. Right? So we mix around. And mix it up and around now. Alright. Then you add cocktail, in other words, fruit pieces of peaches, what do you call it? Pears, all different pieces of fruit. But it's important you take the syrup out of the, otherwise the jelly will become too watery and nothing will set.
It won't set, yeah.
So if you add that to there, if you see now, you can see a lot of cherries in it. I don't like cherries, but the rest of them do. So we'll just put the cherry there mine when we begin. And 2 cans is more than enough. You can see it's actually grape. Now, the important bit is sherry trifle means Harvey Bristol cream. It's alcoholic. What do you call it? You can't. What do you call it? You can buy this in. We used to call Sallyman's port either. You can put into it. Now, roughly, people say how much. Well, usually it's about an egg cup full. So the egg we use, just say, for instance, that's a fancy egg cup. That's me when I have no hair on my head, when Annalise cuts off the hair. And she shaves me. But if I put all into that, that'd be too much. That's a big egg cup. So what do you call it? If any good chef, what that's called, just get it and just sprinkle it in.
And don't put too much.
And that's it. But you must make sure you store that around. If you don't store that around, you could have one piece of it 100% proof and the rest of it just no taste whatsoever. So what do you call it? That's basically it. You'll see that's left overnight to set in the fridge. So put back in this top of this here, and basically that's cooled down. You just let it cool down. You can leave it sitting out, or you can put it in the refrigerator. But it must cool down before you put it in the refrigerator. And what do you call it? When you're finished, if you want to, we have a thing called custard here, which is you can make it with eggs. The yolk of the egg, you separate the white and the yolk, and a little bit of milk, and you can make custard, and you pour it on top of that, and then let it set, and let it goes cold, and let it go set, and then when you finish that, you can put fresh cream on top of that again, and if you want, you can decorate it with a broken flake, or Thousand Islands, we call them, little bits of spicy you see in some of the fairy cakes and that, and then you can let all that set, and then you want to just dig in and give, people different settings, but we don't put the custard on it, and at least rubbers it plain with the cream, fresh cream in the tub. I'll just show you the fresh cream in the tub. Cream. More cream, a local dairy product. You can actually get this now in the Philippines. It's in Ruston's. In their supermarket. This is Avonmore is an Irish company which is part of Kerrygold butter and dairy products, and they're basically throughout the world famous throughout the world. It's made from cow's milk, grass-fed cows, as you call them over the buffalo, or that over here we have cattle here, and we use the cattle usually is going for beef. It's the male of the species. And the female produces beef also, but produces milk, and that's known as all the dairy products are made from that. So actually, in Ireland, where we come from, Monaghan, is rich farmland, and all the products is basically we have a lot of dairies, cooperatives around here. Lakelands would be one major, and Lea Patrick is another one. They have amalgamated together, and so are Lakelands. And if anybody ever heard of Bailey's liqueur or Bailey's cakes, again, that's part of the exact same company as this. But it's lovely. What do you call it? I would recommend it. I know that maybe in the Philippines there's fruit and that, but you don't have fruit. You could actually, the Philippines have natural fruit. We say bananas, oranges, or apples. You can do any fruit. It doesn't become in tins or anything like that. It can be natural, and you print as we use jelly, but use it over there as jello. And once you do what I'm after doing there, and just walk away from it and come back the next day, and you can have a nice, dessert. And like you can, the more jello you add or jelly you add, the bigger the bowl will become. Some people only print one jello, but we print two. So it's lovely, it's sweet, and Annalise likes it, and the kids like it, and I love it too. So it's called cherry trifle.
Cherry trifle, yeah.
Cherry trifle. The cherry comes from the word this. That cherry trifle.
So that's why we call sherry trifle, because you need to add the sherry.
Yeah, but you can, if you don't want to, you can make it without the sherry. But it's kind of a bland taste, and it's alcohol. It is alcohol, but once it's mixed in food, just what do you call it?
Once you just put a little bit, it won't taste.
Like even the top of it, it's really basically the top of the cork of the thing. You can spread it two or three of them into the thing and make sure it's well mixed. Because you just throw it in, you don't mix it. The cherry trifle can just stay on one side, it won't mix, and there could be a shocking taste of sherry on one side and the other side can be plain. So from now it's Christmas Eve. We're going inside now into the sitting room. We're going to sit down, and maybe Annalise here will rub my leg and keep me happy for a while. So until again, cheerio, and from all of us to all of you, a very happy, every blessing for Christmas and the new year. And remember, don't drink and drive, and enjoy yourselves and your family. Bye. Till we meet again. Ciao, bye.